What's up, guys? Welcome to Shooting a Shave. Before I get the shave started today, I just want to say something real quick. For the people that are in the path of this dangerous hurricane, I just want to say that my thoughts and prayers are with you and your families. And for those who have lost their lives in the storm, I just want to take a quick moment of silence to honor your memories. Okay, so brush I'm going to use today is going to be the Yaqi High Mountain Silver Tip Badger brush here. The soap I'm going to use today is the Artisan Soap Shop's Humidor. And razor I'm going to use today is a brand new razor that I just got back in the mail from being honed up by Anthony Esposito, and it is the Gold Dollar 208. So let me go ahead and wet the face and we'll get started. I'm just going to go in there with a damp brush, so I didn't bother putting any water in there because it's already kind of a soft soap and I don't think it really necessarily needs it. As you can see, it's loading up or lathering up pretty easily. And this by far is one of my favorite tobacco scents. The scent notes in it are Spanish cedar and tobacco. These soaps are made by a family. I think the owner's name is Jenny Peck, and they're from Springfield, Missouri. And they specialize in, besides soaps, and skincare products also. So check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Next to Oleo, this is probably my second most favorite Artisan. They just have solid products. For a 6-ounce tub of soap here, I paid $12, and that's to me is a really good price. Locked and loaded, ton of excess cream. Forget the brush. I'm just gonna take what's in the tub here, and we'll just go with that, right? That's unbelievable. Okay, we'll go ahead and just lather up anyways. Not gonna have to lather up too long here. I'm gonna get a little water in here. I got enough soap on this brush for 2 or 3 shaves, maybe 4. The scent strength on this soap, I'd say is mild when you smell it dry, but when you lather it up like this, it goes up to about I guess a 5 on the 1 to 10 scale. It's my favorite tobacco scent, hands down. Best tobacco scent that I've smelled. All right, I think that's good enough. And hockey season is almost upon us, so I'm gonna go ahead and start growing a goatee out, as you can already see. Dry up the hands real quick. All right. First pass, the Gold Dollar 208. So far, this edge feels absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, man, that feels great. Let me rinse up real quick. Wow. Really, really nice edge on that. Thank you, Anthony. That's an awesome edge, man. I'm pretty sure this second pass is going to be just fine, judging by how that first pass went. Nice and comfortable. Okay, let me lather up here for the second pass. Hope you guys are all having a nice weekend. The weather here is really nice today, sunny and in the 70s. It's supposed to get up into the high 70s later, but there's a little humidity, so it's going to be very comfortable. Have to find something to do outside today with the kids. Maybe go to the park. We got a nice park not too far of us. It's real big. They got slides there. Slides big enough for adults to go down. Hey man, I'm still a kid. I'll go down the slide. Okay. We're going to go second pass here. Oh yeah. Very nice. Man, very, very nice. Nice and smooth compared to my other razor. I guess I'm gonna have to send that one out to get honed up. All right, rinse up again here real quick. Oh man, beautiful. I could stop here. There's not a whole bunch to pick up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a pickup pass. Awesome shave so far. Very, very comfortable. Great edge on that razor. So for those of you guys that might be just getting into straight razor shaving, if you haven't heard of Anthony Esposito or checked out his YouTube channel, check him out. Just go on YouTube and look up Anthony Esposito, and he mainly just shaves with straight razors. Every now and then he'll do a DE shave. But he's got a great channel, great stuff, good guy to learn from if you're just getting into this. So check his channel out if you haven't heard of him. Very nice guy too, super nice guy. When I was getting my razor honed up by him, I had the pleasure of speaking with him on the phone for a little bit because I had a couple of questions about some of the stones he was using to hone up the razor, and he was more than willing to answer my questions. And we talked for about maybe 15-20 minutes, which was cool. He's never met me ever, and he's just talked to me like he's known me for a long time. So he's very personable, super nice guy. And Anthony, if you see this, I appreciate that, bud. Thank you so much. It was thank you for the info. All right. Yeah, man, thanks for the info and taking the time to talk to me and answer my questions. I really, really appreciate that. All right, here we go for the cleanup. My beard growth is all over the place. It goes this way, so I try to hit it with the straight razor that way. For the most part, it gets it pretty smooth. Oop. Hitting the wall over here with my fist. Yeah, this edge is so smooth that I don't really have a lot of soap there, and it just glides right over the skin. Awesome edge. Very nice. Very, very, very nice shave. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the sink after. I'm just gonna go right into post shave here. So for post shave, I'm gonna use the matching aftershave splash, which is the Artisan Soap Shop's Humidor. This is my favorite aftershave splasher. I don't believe it has any alcohol in it. It's got, let's see here. It's got witch hazel, glycerin, jojoba oil, aloe, or jojoba oil, aloe powder, and fragrance. So it's the same fragrance as a soap, so it's excellent. Oh man, and the scent will last for a while. I smelled it at least 4 or 5 hours after I put it on. I was getting hints of it. So, very nice aftershave. And in my opinion, the best aftershave. It's my personal favorite. So, put some on the arms here. And I'm not going to go with a post-shave balm today. I'm just going to go ahead and go with that because it's got the witch hazel in it and it's got a nice post-shave feel. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with that. So let's do the recap real quick. Went with the Gold Dollar 208. Soap today was Artisan Soap Shop's Humidor. Awesome soap. Brush today, and there's still a lot of cream in here. Let's go ahead and just take it out. Look at that, that's insane. Go ahead and, oh. Nice peaks on it. So excellent soap. Let's see, I did the soap, the razor, I did the brush, the Yaqi High Mountain Silver Tip Badger brush, and aftershave I went with was the matching aftershave splash. So that's gonna do it, guys. Hopefully everybody will have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys again soon for another shave. And thanks again, Anthony. Awesome edge. Had a great shave with it. So take care, everyone. Have a great weekend. See you for the next shave.